Pliers are one of the most important tools in any arsenal because of just how versatile they are. That is why it is very important for anyone to take good care of their pliers so that they can remain useful and efficient for as long as possible. That is why we will tell you about a few different methods to keep your pliers clean, tidy, and well preserved in today's video. The first method is by far the easiest one, and every person should already be doing this. This method is to get a suitable toolkit and always store your pliers in it. That way, they will stay safe and rust-free when they are not in use, greatly extending their lifespan. But if you do not have a toolkit for now and want other methods, there are some great options. The second way to preserve your pliers is to get a hanging board for them where they can sit apart from each other. That way, they will stay clean, well organized, and much less prone to damage. For this, we are using a kind of DIY hanging board that we made in one of our previous videos on the channel. It's really easy to use, since all you need to do is hang your pliers and other tools at a distance from each other, like we are doing here. If you do not have a board like this one, you can check out our DIY guide on how to make one, or try one of the other things we are going to share with you next. A third and really neat way to keep your pliers clean and tidy is to use pieces of wood in your home to make another kind of DIY hanger. We also have a video on how to make this hanger yourself, and the link is in the description if you want to check it out once you're done with this video. So, we are going to show you just how easy it is to keep your pliers tidy and organized once you have this hanger. If you don't have any of these three things at home, there is still a fourth method which is great for keeping pliers preserved and rust-free. If there is any kind of closed space in your house, like a large drawer or cupboard dedicated to tools, you can keep your pliers there. But to keep them rust-free and preserved, you are going to need a rust-cleaning chemical to put on them. Apply the chemical on both sides, like we are doing here, and let them rest for 3 to 4 minutes. After that time passes, you can use a dry cloth to thoroughly clean the pliers out. Now that the chemical is applied and the pliers are completely clean, you can keep them in an enclosed space to make sure that they do not get dirty. That way, you will not lose them, and they will stay free of any rust. Keep them at a distance from each other in any drawer or cupboard, like we are doing here. Then, you can just close the drawer and keep your pliers in there for as long as you would like without worrying about them getting damaged in any way. These were 4 great, easy, and effective methods for making sure that your pliers stay clean, tidy, and preserved. We hope that any of these methods were able to help you out. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool if you like this video, and if you want more helpful tips on tools and how to manage them.